Hello students, these are the next three exercises of chapter number 11 double consonants from the topic additional forms. These are the exercises, exercise number 80, 81 and 82. Let's start with exercise number 80 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready? Start. As we specialize in chair covers, we are able to offer you new summer styles at prices which are very low. Our new designs are very pleasing and they are sure to meet with favor. Things which are worth having are worth working for. It is not usually possible to secure for very little or no effort anything worth having. It will be a privilege to review this author's new novel when it appears next Thursday. I shall have very much pleasure in reviewing it. The fruit crop was very big last summer, largely because of the favorable weather, and many farmers had to accept very low prices. Our efforts to secure the approval of the bankers were successful. Originally, they were afraid it would not be possible to act favorably in our case. The officials finally decided to make an offer for the property near River Street. The special price at which the goods are offered is as low as any ever reached before. It scarcely covers the cost of freight. A circular which gives the new prices is enclosed. You will note that they are very reasonable. There is a noticeable decrease in our business for the month of February. Our Liverpool branch shows a drop of almost 30%. Next is exercise number 81 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. From all I gather, I believe that the bankers themselves favor increasing the average rate to 3%, and in an unofficial manner they endeavored to influence the others to adopt this course. The author, who had traveled up the Congo River through Darkest Africa offered to speak to the gathering next Friday night. If only we receive the lessons of adversity in a proper manner, they are likely to show us how to lead a useful, honorable, and successful life. We think you should not overlook the property being specially developed by ourselves near Riverside Manor. We should very much like you to inspect what we have to offer before you decide to buy. Our new straws strike a fresh note in summer styles. We think they are the most beautiful we have ever offered. We believe that we had more business through our policy of selling at low prices. From this, you will see that it is essential to supply these items for as little as possible. We think that the figures you give in this estimate are incorrect. Either there is an error in your figures or you are using the wrong grade of leather. Our enormous stocks have to be moved to make room for next season's goods. I think you should reflect carefully before you decide to accept their offer. They expect a reply from you by next Thursday. Next is exercise number 82 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear sirs, we are afraid that we shall be unable to recover the total sum due on your claim unless you adopt different measures. We have used special efforts, but up to the present, we have met with no success in our endeavors to get the debtor to settle. We are unable to collect any money, nor can we extract any promise from him. We think you will be obliged finally to pass the claim over to your solicitors. Please notify us if you wish us to proceed with the case and take this step for you. Very truly yours. So these are the next three exercises of chapter number 11 double consonants additional forms. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. शेयर, ड्रॉप अ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.